Okay, miss.
You see what this is? Oh, I can't. There it is. What's this? Look. Good girl. Ready? No. Get it. Good girl. Oh. What are you doing? Is it not allowed to do that? That man's just moving. Look, right here. Oh, food. Yeah. See? It's just speaking. Play with it? Oh, are we playing? You say, Dishwasher, why don't you play with me? See it spinning. I love having to try to explain that my dishwasher working at the dishwasher. Get it! Get it! Okay, dog. Are you done playing the dishwasher game?
Are you done?
You're not. You want it one more time. Okay, ready? Miss? Miss, take it back. Good girl.
Okay, guys. That's enough.
It's going away. It's going to go to sleep.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, dishwasher friend.